Aryan is in the east of Tejas and Tejas is in the north of Vicky. Manoj is in the south of Vicky. Then in which direction of Aryan is Manoj? If you know the answer of the question, please comment below. The correct answer is southwest. How? Please see the diagram. Now let us see our next riddle. 61211135 is to flame as 2122111420 is to. In this riddle, you will have to find out the word hidden in this number. If you can, please comment quickly. The correct answer is blunt. B-L-U-N-T. Blunt. Because in the English alphabet, B is second letter, L is 12th letter, U is 21 letter, N is 14 letter and T is 20 letter. So 2122111420 is equal to blunt. B-L-U-N-T. Time to see our next riddle. What is Gita's rank in the class if there are 30 students in the class and there are 10 students who scored less than Gita? How fast can you answer this question? Gita stands at 20 rank because there are total 30 students and 10 are below Gita. Let us see our next question. An apple is 40 cents, a banana is 60 cents and a grapefruit is 80 cents. How much is a pear? Use your logic to answer this question as quickly as possible. The pear cost is 40 cents because apple has two vowels A and E and each vowel is equal to 20 cents. That is, apple cost 40 cents. Similarly, in banana there are three vowels, hence its cost is 60 cents. Grapefruit has four vowels. Its cost is 80 cents. Thus, the cost of pear will be 40 cents because it has two vowels. Let us see our next riddle. Fill in the missing alphabet. Did you find the missing alphabet? Very simple, very easy. Add the numbers in each box. and just replace the sum with alphabets. For example, 9 plus 7 plus 2 is equal to 18. R is the 18th alphabet. So, 5 plus 1 plus 9 is equal to 15th. Therefore, O is the 15th alphabet. So, the missing alphabet is O. A champion could not exist without dash. Find the word that best fits in. According to me, the correct answer is winning. Do you have any other word? If yes, please comment below. And do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.